Andrew here with Scott Sports to talk you through the new 1920 Scott ski line. We have a brand new Scott Speedguide 89 here that's fresh to our line. This is an 89mm waisted ski, traditional camber underfoot and flat tail with a little bit of early rise rocker in the tip here. This ski here is a unisex ski ranging anywhere from a 169 centimeter length to a 176. Ultra lightweight, coming in at 1,200 grams roughly. This is the newest ski to our touring line. It's going to make a great ski for long ascents, steep couloirs, anything that you can really throw at it. Taking a look at what's new in our Scott free ski line, we have the Scott Scrapper 105. It's a 105 waisted twin tip ski here, a little bit of rocker in the tip and tail, while still having a little bit of a traditional camber underfoot to increase the playfulness and liveliness of the ski in all conditions. This ski is part of our men's line, ranging in from a 175 to a 189. However, new for this year, we're offering the Scrapper 105 women's. Same waist width at a 105, but we're offering it in shorter lengths for women, as well as we did some air core channeling in the ski here to lighten it up, as well as make it about 8% softer flexing to accommodate the average smaller frame of most female skiers. Touching in our all conditions line to round it out, we have for you the Slight family, starting at an 83mm waist and working its way all the way up to a 100mm waist with a 93mm to split the difference. This ski here features a traditional shape, flat tail, traditional camber underfoot, and rocker in the tip. We offer this in men's as well as a women's here in the women's 93, which will be new for the 2019-2020 season. Here to walk you through what's cool and new in the 2019-2020 ski boot line for us. Scott's primary focus in our boot line has definitely always been in the alpine touring sector. Our flagship model here, the Scott Superguide boot, features a PVEX shell with carbon fiber inserts in the lower shell to improve and minimize deformation under stress. New for this year, we've incorporated a brand new upper ratcheting strap. What this has allowed us to do is accommodate a wide range of ankle and calf sizes, as well as stiffen up the overall flex of the boot, making it a 130 AT flex. We've also made a couple big updates to the Orbit boot here with a new upper cuff ratcheting system as well, and updates and improvements to the lower buckle here. This is going to be your 110 flex boot, really aimed at the skiing enthusiasts with uphill travel in mind as a primary focus, but still want something confident to ski on the descent. And then our women's line, we bring back the Celeste Reboot here with the same walk mechanism that we've had in the past across the line. A new colorway, updated buckles, also while maintaining all the features and characteristics that people have come to love. Lightweight PVEX shell, Vibram walk sole. You can find more information on these products and many other products of ours on our website, scott-sports.com.